war's gonna catch up with us.
Not a whole lot.
Every moment we're not together, you're up there training for it.
Do you think our love will take us away together?
I think our love can do anything we want.
What if the storm ends? I don't see you.
He's a nice boy, but he's not for you.
Ever again.
You don't want to see him anymore, and that's right.
The perfect halo
I want to go out with you.
of cold hair and lightning. Set you up against the planet's last dance.
Do you want me to walk you home?
Just for a minute. A silver fork sky.
Have you ever seen Pearl Harbor?
Lit you up like a star.
In the air?
I will follow. And now it's found us, like I have found you. I don't wanna run, just overwhelm me.
I love you. You don't look at Daddy the way I look at Noah. You don't touch or play. You don't know anything about love.
Leaves us nothing except a memory, a distant echo.
Why?
And now
It wasn't over for me.
I want
I waited for
myself.
you 7 years.
Cage after cage, it's in my blood.
I wrote you every day.
I wanna see you as you are now. Every single day I am living, breathing in flames, peeling thunder. Be a lightning in me that strikes relentless.
So it's not going to be easy. It's going to be really hard. And we're going to have to work with this every day, but I want to do that because I want you. I want all of you, forever, you and me, every day. It wasn't over. It still isn't over.
It was us.
And I don't see you as you are now, ever again.
Now I'm gonna give
The
in.
perfect halo of cold hair and lightning set you up against the planet's last dance. Just for a minute,
Say I'm a bird.
You're a bird.
the silver fork sky lit you up like a star that I will follow. And now it's found us,
Now say you're a bird too.
like I have found you.
If you're a bird, I'm a bird.
I don't wanna run, just overwhelm me.